Lalaking yun. Ako lagi inuutosang mag-order. Ay, yung orderin ko. Jollibee na naman. Lapang na naman.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, gingerbread home. I dream of December nights, kissing under lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols play in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I miss is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch,
Pulubat na naman.
cold winter days, in all
Ay,
the
bye.
movies there,
Okay, so may
kissing
plan.
in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is if Santa read his letters, he will know that my wish ever since I remember has been the mistletoe kiss. I'll keep on writing letters, I'll keep on dreaming away in the waiting every holiday till the day I can say I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes.
Bal. Kamusta? Hi.
Okay na. Nagpapawisan ako. Masakit na ang likod.
Daw. Anong tawag dito, Bal?
Laguna Lake.
It's Laguna Lake. Init. Wow, kunwari order siya. Salamin pa yun. Gusto mo try natin yung ano? Yung tulay doon. Gusto mo try natin yung tulay doon?
Oo. Kaya na lumaya.
Kaya ba ng bigat ko yun?
Hindi ko lang alam.
May record bang weight?
Mayroon. 50 below.
50 below. Hindi na ako abot. Maganda dito pag gabi. Kasi may mga lights din kagaya ng pinuntahan natin sa campers, no?
barya mo.
Andito.
Bigyan mo na si kuya ng ano. Kaya. Thank you. Wala na ang number. Wala na. Baka na.
We're here. After ilang minutes na naligaw. Naririnig mo yun? Yung agos ng talon. Walang signal dito. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Yan yung itsura. Pero simbahan yan. Ito yung Daranak Falls. Yung Kalinwa ng cave, nadaanan na natin yung kanina.
Huwag na yung kid, nakakatakot yun.
Kaya nga eh. Ito po yung yan. Saan tatak? Ito sa
Labura.
noo. Nasa noo.
Labura yung tatak ko.
Kaya mo na. Wala na rin yan pag naligo ka. Hindi ka ba maliligo? Hindi ka na naman maliligo.
Hypnotized, I don't know why she got me feeling this way. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. I'm mesmerized like every night by every word she says. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. She doesn't know. She's got a certain kind of gravity.
Di kaya? Di kaya? Hala, yo. Sobrang angat. Dyan na sa hagdan? Dyan. Yung gamit natin. Yung gamit natin. Mga ngangin dito. Kaya nakakapagod. Hindi mo.
Ano ba? Sino matrimen? Mga puntok na yun, nabalatan yun eh. Nakabitin kayo? May extra ba bitin kayo?
May additional.
Wala nang bayad kayo? Ito po wala po. Pag naubos lang po, pero kung dalasan naman, pumasok po lang po. Wala, ano yan yung bawat yan? Wala po.
I've been talking to Santa and he told me.
O yan na lang. 6 pesos. Ay, 50 pesos lang. Paano pa yung mathematics? Kasi, tama. Ito, 6,000. 6,072 pesos. Not sponsored po.
Alone it's Christmas, but I won't wait till next.
Ito na po si master photographer. Ipicturean niya yung buwan. Tapos pakita mo sa akin yung masterpiece mo. Kita niyo yun. Pipicturean niya yun ng focus. Kere ba? Kere ba? Nga. Di nga. Pakita mo yung masterpiece mo. Look at that. Sino po? Oo, di nga lang nakagitna. Mas maganda yun kung full moon, no? Half moon lang yan eh. Yung aeroplano. Sige nga. Mahirap yan eh. Magalaw.
May naalala kong kamukha nito.
Sino?
Yung mukha ko.
Buwan.
Paano ito? Yung mukha ko pag malapit.
Maraming ano? Maraming...
Yeah, you left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about his realize. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you, I wanna make you, I wanna make you feel something familiar. I celebrate you. God did his thing with ya. Don't be a stranger, be my date. Without you, this ain't a holiday. So let me be your family this Christmas. Be your family. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Be your gift to you, myself this year. I promise I'm yours.
Good morning. Medyo pagas ako kasi lamig ng panahon dito, tapos kakagising ko lang. So, ayun, nandito nga tayo sa second na staycation, which is Rhein cabin view. Ito yung kwarto namin. So, ayun, simple lang siya, and nature lover talaga yung team dito. Kaya, napaka-refreshing tsaka nakaka-relax talaga dito. So, ito yung pinaka magiging cabin nyo kapag nag-staycation kayo dito. So, ito yung higaan nyo. And, ayan, gamit na gamit yung kumot kasi sobrang lamig talaga dito. Kung dalawa lang naman kayo, sakto lang kayo dito. Itong upuan, pinasok ko lang kasi may mga pagkain kami dito. Kasi sabi nung may-ari, kapag nag-iwan daw kami ng pagkain sa kusina, baka daw kainin ng pusa. Wala kaming makain ngayon. Pasensyahan nyo na yung mga gamit namin, nilapag na lang namin basta dyan. Meron naman silang, ayan, basahan. Tapos, meron din silang hanger. Ayan, yan yung mga damit namin, hinangor namin. May sabitan din. Itong kabila, may sabitan. Pwede din yung isabit dito yung helmet. Kaso, natatakot kami na baka mabasag. Kaya, nilapag na lang namin dyan. Tapos yung sapatos namin. Ganyan lang yung ilaw niya. Ayun, nakaka-relax talaga. Hindi sobrang tingkad sa paningin namin. So, pag talaga ganyan yung ilaw, mabilis talaga kami antukin. Hindi siya sobrang lakas as in. Meron naman siyang saksahan. So, ito. So, hindi nyo na kailangan ng adapter, kahit connector lang. So, ito ay, 4 siya. So, dito, sinaksak na lang namin yung connector. Tapos, ayan, sila charge na lang namin. So, okay siya, nagana naman. Okay, sinasabi ng review. Relax, renew, refreshing. Time check natin is 6:02 AM. Gumising talaga ako na maaga para makita yung sea clouds. Pero sabi ni Kuya, bihira lang daw maka-sea clouds sa panahon ngayon kasi sobrang lamig and mahangin. Medyo basa kasi ang lamig nga talaga ng hamog dito. Ang ganda, diba? Nakaka-refresh. Tapos, ayan. Diyan sana may sea clouds. Pero, ayun nga. Dahil sa mahangin at malamig ang panahon, yun, hindi natin makikita today. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito. And, ayan. Malamig siya. Lamig. Tapos may mga ilaw dito. Ang ganda yan lalo sa gabi. Yung ilaw nila is, ayan, yung kuryente dito is solar. So, nakakatipid sila dito. Signal lang dito is Smart and Glow. Yung SIM ko kasi is dito SIM. Wala talagang signal. May sea clouds kaso dul lang siya sa dulo. Ayan, dul lang. Hindi siya nakaabot. Malapit sa amin. Pagas ako. So, meron pa baba. Papunta dun sa common kitchen tsaka sa CR. Tapos, ang ganda, parang siyang little Baguio talaga. Kasi, may mga bulaklak, tapos mapupuno. Tapos tahimik pa, malayo sa Maynila. Hi, Bal. Welcome sa vlog ko.
Napulikat.
Napulikat kasi sobrang lamig. So, ito yung common kitchen. So, ito yung mesa. Pwede dyan kumain. Tapos, ayan yan lang yung lutuan. Yung butane stove. Para pag naubos, ay mag-additional na 300 ata. May additional yon sabi doon sa chat. Oo. Pero mostly naman, kapag 2 days and 1 night, ano lang naman, may maintain na daw yung stove. Pero depende pa rin sa nagluluto, guys. So, ang ulam namin for today's video, hotdog. Walang katapos ang hotdog. Tapos, yung kanin. Ano ko, mainit. Kainit. Tapos, ayan, yung mga tira namin pagkain. So, may itlog. Meron pang cake yung tira sa birthday ko. Ito yung pinaka-saint namin. Ito pala, guys, bili namin kasi wala siyang, hindi kasama yung, drinking water dito sa, pag-stay-in mo. So, bumili na lang kami. Tapos, ito, hindi siya inumin. Pang hugas-hugas talaga ng mga plato at So, ito yung common CR. Yan, common lang talaga. De balde yung tubig. Ang lamig ng tubig, guys. Parang inipon kahapon. Tapos sa sobrang lamig, halos nag-yelo na yung tubig dito. Baba na tayo sa pinakatambayan. So, yan. Yan, dyan kami tumambay kagabi. Tapos, ayun yung bonfire. So, maaga kami nag-bonfire kasi pagka-uwi agad namin, nag-bonfire na kami kasi ang lamig sa biyahe talaga.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control.
Saan ang next? Saan ang next? Motor shop kasi. Papachange. Hindi kinaya yung biyahe. Niligaw kasi eh. Magbakasyon ka lang, may anak ka na. Yan, kasi puro gala.
One bike.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, making up together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, waiting out in my hair, sleigh bells in the air.
Tayo kay Santa. Kabilaan tayo kay Santa.
Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies there, kissing in the
Gawa niyo po ito? Since ano pong year po ito? Nag-start mag-collect ng ano? Ano po?
Hindi.
lang po sa may-ari yung mga
Collections.
Tapos doon
tapos
nag-start.
nag-start na mag-collect na siya.
Yan sa museum. Ganito sa ano eh, National Museum sa Manila.
I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red boat in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you. Cinderella's letters. He will know that my wish ever since I remember has been a mistletoe kiss. I'll keep on writing letters. I'll keep on dreaming away in the waiting every holiday till the day I can say I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red boat in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah.
Ito yung pinakamahal. Kada isa po nasa 10 to 15. Kasi ito yung
collections ni ano.
Kasi ito yung pinakamaliit. Ano po sa tingin niyo yung ano? Yung pinakauna-una ang collection? Hindi naman. Napote, yun yung kauna-unahan. Yun.
Welcome.
Ito yung Lego Star Wars.
One, two, three. Isa pa ako. Di ba double purpose ako?
One, two.
Wala na tayong pera, bakit pa bumibili?
Palagi ka pang may kape.
Grocery again.
Christmas time, Santa's out on the lawn. Lawn. Well, he ain't got reindeer, he ain't got snow.
Uwi na kami. Salamat, nakaraos. Ay, may tanong ako sa'yo. Tatlong naging staycation namin, ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mo?
Sa cabin.
Sa cabin, bakit? Kasi,
Relaxing yung view.
tapos,
Tapos sabi ng muna.
Ayun. Tapos, sa tatlong yun, ano yung gusto mong balikan?
If I were to choose to go back, I would choose Pinangola.
Kasi, di mo na sulit. Talaga may ano, no? Maganda yung view, tapos, tapos may wifi pa. Okay sana doon sa cabin eh, kaso walang wifi tsaka common lang.
Bundok.
Oo, pero okay lang din yun kasi malapit sa nature talaga. So na, uwi na kami kasi may pasok pa kami mamayang gabi. Partida. And this is the end of our Rizal adventure vlog. So, ayan.